Well, hello everybody. I have something to show you. One, the dog. You can't see him because he's... Come here. And there's another thing. This. It's my dirt bike. I ride every day. It's not new. It's like from way back when I was 7 or something. It's a Yamaha. And I've rode it since that day. I've been riding it. Well, it broke and it had to be taken to a shop, so we did that. And now I got it fixed. So hold on. Look at this damn light. Oh no, demonetized. That's good enough. I got it all started up for you. Scheiße. Oh, choke's on. Hold on, I need to put it down. What are you doing, Amy?
Shut up.
Making a video now. Probably too quick to start. Yeah, it's not working. It's too hot out. Cold out, I meant. I'm sorry about this, but it won't start. There's gas in it too. Everything. Yep, it's dead. Let's start. Well, sorry about the disappointment, but it's not gonna start. It's not gonna start at all. Sorry. Overflowed one of my, I don't know,
spring recording videos, and see y'all later, please. Just get us to 10 likes or something. I don't know.